freaking love this. Pretty looks. Cool for the Wire, 1988. Cool for the Wire. Kind of like a more glam version. They're not really glam at all though. Kind of, but not really. AC/DC, a little heavier though. These guys rock, man. And Rick Ostergaard from Germany, killer singer, guitarist. He died a few years back. My friend's band opened for them one show. It was pretty cool. Oh, sticky fingers. All right, cheers, VC. Gotta have one more drink and I'll get into the record. Alright, so went a little differently today. Instead of starting with a blues record, I start with a country record, which I don't listen to country, but I do like this record. It's Steve Earle, Washington Square Serenade. By far my favorite country record of all time. He's kind of a country rock, blues, beats killer. And this album, best thing, I love it. Especially the last two songs, Days Aren't Long Enough with Allison Moorer, and Way Down in the Hole. Man, I love Way Down in the Hole. This whole album rocks with Steve Earle. Kick-ass album here. And so my wife listened to a few records with me. And so I was playing stuff she likes, and we played this, Rick Springfield. This surprised the hell out of me. I actually like this. When I got a bunch of Rick Springfield, I don't really listen to them, but this is a good record. It's pretty rocking, actually. I was shocked to say I liked it. Pretty good stuff. When you're cool. When we listen to this, and this sounds so great on the double 40. Well, it's not 45, but double vinyl. So glad they did that. It's not my favorite Def Leppard, but it sounds so great on this vinyl. It was a really good listen. I hadn't heard it for quite a while, so pretty cool. Now to this first side, I'm going to try to play a song or two from the other side. The very last song in here I want to hear. I was going to play the second side just so I could hear it, but man, I can't not hear this side. This whole album's so killer though. Every song. All right, I need a drink for that. All right, and then I still listen to records with my wife, and this one I love. This is my favorite by Bon Jovi by far. It's their heaviest record they ever did. Only Lonely is so cool. I mean, Hardest Part of the Night, Always Run to You, To the Fire. It's just so good. This album is so good. It's Not the Way You Rock. The song introduced me to this band. I was in Portland, Oregon visiting my grandparents, driving around, and they had a rock station there, like a metal station. They kept playing this song. It's not even a single. And I was like, holy crap, went out and bought the cassette. Been loving this band ever since. I bought this cassette right when this came out. And love Dirty Love. Dude. So killer. And then after I was done with that, we went to Prague. Thank you, Chris Brophy. Pretty good stuff here. Keith Emerson band, nice. Real Prague, man. It's kind of an acquired thing, but I like it. It's not the way you rock. It's the way that you roll. It's not the way you rock. I got some BCLT. My good friend Brandon, Mr. Hall of Fame. Man, this sounds so killer. I forgot how great this album is. I mean, freaking Top Secret. Oh, I love that. Can't Wait on Love. This is a great album. Thank you, Brandon. It's not the way you rock. It's the way you drink beer. It's the way that you roll. It's not the way you rock. It's the way that you roll. It's not the way you rock. Sammy Hagar next. This is a really good record. His debut. Yeah, that's good. The After Montrose from Bushman Solo. The Red Rocker in blue. Flamingos Fly, that's a cool song. really good. Huh. Love this part, yeah! Heard this for the first time. This is a hard rock, pretty heavy for hard rock. Dirty Tricks. Now that's the name of my old band, but we spelled it with X's. So this is an actual band. Pretty good stuff, hit and run, good hard rock. Vocals are a little different, but it's good. Get that glare off there. Alright. I don't want to run out of records today. Next song was one of their singles. Really good. So up next, thanks to my good friend JC from the flip side, man. I just can't stop listening to it. I freaking love this record. This is so underrated. John Corabi just is so great on it. He adds another guitar to it, and his vocals are so killer. Vince Neil is great, but John Corabi's a better singer. He's so good. This is such a great album, man. Uncle Jack and Misunderstood. Smoke the Sky is so killer. Dropping Like Flies. Oh my God, this is good. Yes. All for you. Can't take my eyes off you. This is a great song. Grim Reaper next. Really great band. Man, this is a good album. They're cool. I like them. I got like 4 records of them. They're all good. Killer stuff. Grim Reaper. See you in hell, my friend. At least we're friendly about going to hell. Pretty cool, man. Take my eyes off of you. No matter what I want to do. My other good buddy, JC from Miami, sent me this. This album is so heavy, it's so killer. Love this frickin' album. Thank you, JC. So good. And the song Immortal Sin, oh man, that just groove it has that power groove. I love it. So killer. Fine. Rob Halford, killer stuff here. For my money, this is better than the pre-stuff that was out of that time. But the pre-stuff's still good, but this is just kick-ass, man. Great album. And, I'm gonna do something I don't usually do. I got a record today, and I couldn't wait to play it. I usually don't do that. I wait to do my vinyl finds and I play them on this. But I was excited. I've been looking for this record for years. I have it on CD. It's an unofficial release. I love this album. Alright, cheers, you see. And it's not a metal record, but it was a grail of mine kind of, and I found it today. So excited. This album, I was living in Vegas with my good friend Josh, who was the guitarist in my band. He went down there and became a singer really good. And he played this album for me. I hated it when I first started. I was like, what the hell is this crap? What is this? And I heard it a few times, and all of a sudden I was like, play that again, play it again, and then it became one of my favorites. This is Pig, Fashion Nugget. Man, this album is good. Let's do it, it sounds so killer. Frank Sinatra, I love that song. The Distance, that is just so original. I even love their version of I Will Survive. They put a different twist on it. It's not disco-y at all. Really cool. Italian Leather Sofa. Those lyrics are so great. You know, Nugget. This is a great album, and I was so happy to find this today. It's an unofficial release, but it sounds good. Oh, Ruby! Another one of their singles. They had a video for this. Killer stuff here. Now, if this isn't AC/DC on speed, what is it? It's very AC/DC-ish, but I love these guys better, actually. Mess that up. Beer tasting good today, folks. All right. Dirty Looks, man. And there are two albums that are after this are just as killer, man. Turn the Screw to 5 Easy Pieces. That delicious stuff. Lose control. So, up next. Thank you, Mr. Profi again. In My Head. Man, this is a great Black Flag record. It's growing on me a lot. It'll flip it into my war, or my two favorites for this is Catching Them. That title song In My Head, man, it's so good. For this whole album, man, so good. Love Black Flag. Great, great band. Right now. Rock and roll. Yeah, I love this. Now you see why I always show this on these episodes, because I do listen to this a lot. I always have. Cheers, Brian. Cousin Brian, man. Have a big chug on me, man. Understood. Everybody in the neighborhood over there. Hell yeah. All right. Next up, thanks to my friend Scott Waters. He gave me this a while back. This blew me away. I mean, I liked it when I first heard it. I listened to it a couple times when I first got it. I listened to it again today, and man, this is really, really killer. Philadelphia Warlord. Great album, man. Just kicked my ass today. You know, get a couple of beers in you and everything. It's just killer metal. Rocks record. It's really good. I love this. It really grew on me a lot. I liked it, now I love it. Thank you, Scott. And up next, Lizzie Borden. This is pretty good. It's not as good as a couple of his, but it's really good. It's got Don't Touch Me there with Betsy from the band Bitch. That's really cool. A couple a remix, Give 'em the Axe, which is really cool. Cover of White Rabbit, Jefferson Airplane. Tokyo! I love this song! Yeah! But this is really good. I love Lizzie Borden. I'm really excited about those reissues. I'm going to be grabbing one. I already have one, but there's one I don't. Oh, man. This song is so good. Tokyo! We're moving far, far from here. Tokyo Rose. She blooms this time of year. Susie, Susie, do you want to come out gay? Let's get a beer. This is a big ass beer too. This holds a couple bottles in this. I got a minute before I need one. Up next, I'm still loving this record, man. Love Ian Gillan, love Deep Purple. Man, it's so good. This is an amazing record. It sounds so killer. Throw My Bones, one of my favorite Deep Purple songs. I love it. But you know, every song's good on this. It's just really good. Great album. I love it. If anyone doesn't have this, it's a newer one they did from 2000. So it's only last year and it's so good. They came back with a vengeance on this. Killer record. Steve Morse sounds great. Of course, Ian Page is always amazing. So good. Roger Glover. Such a great band. Tokyo! So up next is the slow song on the record, which is really good. I'm going to flip it either for one or two on the other side, but I might mess it up. But I want to hear the last song at least. Maybe the last two. You might hear a little bit of the other if I don't do it right. Come on! We're Tokyo tonight! Got the train, it's your life! It's the This is great. The debut from Overkill sounds so killer on vinyl. I love Overkill. I didn't need more. I'm gonna have the first two. They're a great band. Ron Haggerty's favorite. And Ron's a great guy. Killer taste. This is a great album. Love this. Yeah. Killer record here. Wasting my time. Hell yeah. It's a blues metal. That's why I call it blues metal, this kind of stuff, because they got this. They always have these bluesy elements. And it's not hard rock. I consider hard rock like Loverboy, Hard, Foreigner. It's blues metal, man. I'll call it blues metal for my whole life. All right. Wasting my time. Next up, some Leatherwolf. Man, this is a great record. The subtitles, The Calling is such a great song. Oh my God. And it starts out with Rise or Fall, this amazing guitar work. Oh my God, these guys are kick ass. This is Sonora. Man, they're great. These guys, they're heavy. They're not glam metal, they're a little heavier than that. They're just kick ass. But they have those elements too. But man, this is so good. Great. Street metal. I'm gonna make up a new genre right now. Street metal. That's it. It's all just metal to me. Anything that was on Headbangers Ball from Bon Jovi to Slayer is metal to me. And then, you know, there's more extreme stuff too. Freaking love this. This is the most mellow song in this whole record. This album kicks ass. Wasting my time. Wasting my time. Hell yeah. Alright. Wasting my time. Wasting my time. Yeah. Get some time. I need a beer. Get a beer. I'll flip it. We're gonna hear. I gotta figure out how many I want to hear. I'm gonna go for the last two. It's a bitch and Get Off, because I love those. I really love No Brain Child too, but I want to skip around. But I don't have time to put on a record. So, gotta hear the last two. What do I do? Wasting my time. And then right before this, listen to this masterpiece. Man, Eagles of Death Metal is so great. This is their first one. All their albums are great. This one's not my favorite, but it's so good. Man, they do the best version of Stuck in the Metal. They call Stuck in the Metal, so it's Stuck in the Middle. The song from Sheila's Wheels. So good. But San Bernardino Sunburn, man, that song is a legendary song. I love it so much. And look, there's a song called Waste My Time on this. How funny. Yeah, English Girl, oh my god. So easy. Speaking in tongues, only one. This album's so freaking killer. I love Eagles of Death Metal. Alright, everybody, I gotta flip it and get some beer. I got it pretty close. Bitch, the song is so killer, man. Love Dirty Looks. Alright, everybody, cheers. I'll show you what I got coming up next. So I showed this on a video recently and I gotta hear it. Some mini mix are amazing. So great. I might play this next. It's really good. I haven't done this album in a while. Mental Health, always a great listen. I love it. Slick Black Cadillac, hell yeah. It's all good. Nothing like the song Mental Health, man. It still bumps me up. Love it. Great album. Can you realize, see the fire in your eyes again when it's all said and done, and there's nothing you can do. Don't you scream, it's a bitch. That's what I played on that same video, and I want to hear it today. Sea Hags, yeah, oh yeah. That's gonna be so great. I gotta play this on one of these if I can. I'll try. Sometimes my stuff gets blocked, so that's a great one. How about Supreme Evil, man? I haven't heard this in a bit. This is a great record. Love it. I love this cover. So killer. See the fire in your eyes again when it's all said and done, and there's nothing you can do. Don't you scream, it's a bitch. Cheers, VC. Alright, and to my four best friends, JC, Chris, Jeff, Gary, this job's for you. This is such a great record. Freaking Headhunter, oh yeah. So good. Legendary album, so killer. I just love it. Screaming in the Night, Eat the Ribs, Send Me Pounded, oh my god, this is good. Love this album. See the fire in your eyes again when it's all said and done, and there's nothing you can do. Don't you scream, it's a bitch. Cosmo Brian, me and him both love this album. Man, this is so killer. It's the original singer from Pantera, band after Pantera left, kicked out, whatever. So good, Lord Tracy. Nothing quite like this record. It's a badass album. Oh my god. Get off. Check this song out. This is killer. Hell yeah. Alright. Freaking love this song. Gonna listen to this today. I don't know if this one gets a lot of crap, but I love this album. See You Tonight is so good. Radioactive, man. Always Near You, Nowhere to Hide. Oh my God. Mr. Make Believe. The couple of low points and all the highs are so good. Take your time. Alright, DC. So after some that, I gotta mellow out a bit with some Danzig. I love this record. It's my third favorite by them, but it's still amazing. Man, it's so good. Take your time. Get on. How about some Black Label Society with the Blessed Hell Ride? This is a great, great record. Probably my favorite by them. I love this album. Man, Funeral Bell. Funeral Bell's where it's at, and that's so good. And this whole album, Doomsday, Jesus, Stillborn, holy crap. Black and Water, Dead Meadow, every song's great on this. Killer record. Doc Wild, man, he's badass. Speaking of a badass album, how about some Spreading the Disease? You know what? This might be the next one I hear. I haven't heard this in about a month, maybe, and that's too long to go without hearing Spreading the Disease. Because it's got Medusa, man. I love Medusa. Oh, man, the Aftershock. And, you know, Manhattan, Lone Justice. So good. Take your time. I'll give it here's some MSG. My Collie Shanker. Just got this, haven't heard it yet. I used to have it, but I haven't heard it in 20, 30 years. Great album, I remember. Alright, everyone. Some Clutch. Gotta hear some Clutch. Great, great killer album. And I'll finish with y'all. Great Bad from Oregon. Killer, kind of like Sleep. Killer album. Cool. Alright, everyone. Cheers, we see. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.